Hello, everyone. Today I wanted to share something about mistakes. So, we all know that as common mortal human beings, it is only natural that, we make mistakes in the long course of our lives. And we make mistakes, in all kinds of shapes and sizes, from tiny mistakes that cause us, embarrassment to bigger blunders that often leave us with regret and remorse. But what should be our attitude towards, dealing with mistakes, with errors? So, I wanted to share something from the book called Life is What You Make It by Peter Buffet. So, Peter Buffet very beautifully says that we can't eliminate errors, so we may as well embrace them. Admit them when they happen, forgive ourselves for making them, and most of all, learn from them. No mistake should go to waste. In short, we grow by messing up. So, what I really like is this line that in short, we grow by messing up. So, it's really important that we learn from our mistakes. Every mistake is an opportunity for us to deeply reflect over our own selves and, really extract something that can help us in, going forward. So, instead of letting our mistakes, really cripple us or make us question our self worth or, sort of paralyze us, it's really important that we take out the time to reflect over that mistake and come up with something, with a lesson, with a learning, and take it forward in the course of our lives. So, in that case, even a mistake will become like a fresh direction for us to go forward. So, if there's any mistake you have made of lately, a small or a big one, please reflect over it, forgive yourself, and just learn from it and move forward.